Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you exactly how you can use Microsoft Copilot to craft and to edit texts for your Microsoft Word documents really quickly. So let us get started right away. Alright guys, head over to Microsoft Word and access your document. First and foremost guys, to access Microsoft Copilot, you will need to use Microsoft Office 365 or 365, and you will also need to be logged in with your Microsoft account here in the top right, where you see your profile name. And what you want to do guys, once your Microsoft Word has been updated, you will be given access to the Copilot feature by heading over to the Home tab here and by clicking on Copilot here on the right hand side. So let's click on it. That is going to open up that communication panel on the right side. So here you can communicate with Copilot as if you were communicating with any other AI tool like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Grok, for example, and give it commands and prompts by entering your message or prompt here at the bottom. You may see also suggestions like that. So if I click, for example, on that suggestion here, Microsoft Copilot, and press enter, of course, Microsoft Copilot will start communicating with you and answer to your questions so that you may, for example, continue the conversation, post follow-up questions, or post answers and replies. So that's one option, guys. What you want to do also is, for example, let me close that communication window here, or chat conversation window. What you want to do is simply use Copilot to help you craft text or edit texts here in your document. What you want to do is, for example, left click anywhere here in your open or blank page. And to the left, you will see that Copilot icon here. You may also access it by using the shortcut Alt-I. And after that, you will see that prompt window here. So here, simply enter your prompt or give Microsoft Copilot your command. Like, for example, this suggestion, keep writing this. If you click on it, Copilot will start drafting your text based on your text content here in your document. And that's basically it. You may also ask Copilot to sum up your document, or to rewrite it, or to translate it, or to keep writing it for you, or to summarize it, and so on and so forth. Guys, you may, for example, decide here at the bottom if you'd like to keep the version, or give some follow-up suggestions, or delete it, or give Copilot the command to regenerate or to rewrite this, and so on and so forth, or give a thumbs up or thumbs down. And that's how you do it, guys. That's how you use Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft Word in 2025. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.